Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Shami Kawegazi on the go. I'm back again with another vlog. So this is going to be a staycation vlog. Yeah, staycation friendcation vlog, because my friend came all the way from Joburg to celebrate her birthday weekend with moi. So I'm off to her now, so I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the channel so that we can grow. Okay,
I like the way I'm feeling, can't touch this feeling. I mean my feelings, Batman me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste, when I'm moving nobody can test me. Man I really complex, them man them I really can test me. Way I put it down, Jagaban them I call me #1. Understand man I put them on the run, can't understand never putting on the show on the road. Man, I give them on the go, on the pole. Man, I ringing up the show on the low. Man, I killing up the show, let them know. Man, I cooking up the flow. I like the way I'm feeling, can't touch this feeling. I mean my feelings, Batman me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste, when I'm moving nobody can test me. Man, I really complex, them man, them I really can test me. Pass me the Hennessy, let me tell you what I see. It is written in the stars what I see. She a tell me say her boyfriend YC. Man I feeling so icy, vibesy. Man a bad man, you can call me YB. And I step in at the yard with no ID. And we a bossy down with no Ivy. See the girl them pull up, see the man them turn up. Inna the yard them a burn up, till the morning them a turn up. See the girl them pull up, see the man them turn up. Inna the yard them a burn up, till the morning them a turn up. I like the way I'm feeling, can't touch this feeling. I mean my feelings, Batman me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste, when I'm moving nobody can test me. Man I really complex, them man them I really can test me.